we will start with exercise number 2 at the time signature. So first of all, we have to repeat value of the beats. So semi-brief it's 4 beats. Minim note, 2 beats. The next crotchet, 1 beat. Quaver note, half a beat. Semi-quaver note, quarter beat. So the next we have to see 2 crochets, so it 2 times by 1. 3 crochets, it 3 times by 1 beat. And 4 4, it's 4 times by 1 beat. 2 2, 2 times by 2 beats. 3 times by 2 beats in 3 2, and 4 2, 4 times by 2 beats. And 3 8, it 3 times by quaver, so 3 times by half. Now let's compare. So time signature for 2 at the time signature. So semi-brief note give us 4. Minim, 2 beats. Another minim, 2 beats. Minim 2, minim 2, minim 2, 2, another 2 minims, and 4. So 4 minims in a bar. We have to count 1 2 3 4 bar line. 1 2 3 4 minims, bar line, 1 2 3 4, and another bar line. We can close it by double bar line. Let's see the next one. So we can see that we start with a quaver note. Quaver note is the half, another quaver, another half, and another quaver, another half. In this case, we can see with you 3 halves. So 3 halves gives us 3 8 in a bar. Next, please. So we can choose in this line the easiest bar. For example, this bar. We can see the minim. So we remember that minim it is the 2 beats, another 2, and the last 2. We can see easily the 3 minim beats in a bar, 3 minim beats in a bar. It's time signature 3/2. I will ask you to continue with these tasks on this and the next page.